$100, you can make your study room for your kids. Challenge accepted, guys!
Guys, I'm riding in the bus to Ikea. Hello guys, don't copy me. I do commute and this is what happened. I messed up. Finally here at Ikea. So this is Torald table. The Ikea 80th anniversary have 20% for all the desks. This is the Torald table that I'm gonna purchase. Eating cake.
Unbox this table from Ikea. This is around $34.99 at Ikea, less 20% off. This is inside the Torald box, and we'll assemble this one, guys. So this is the screw. We'll open it, and this is the instruction, guys. You will put this one in the two sides.
Get the wooden screw and put it on two different sides. This is the screw that I used to the table from Ikea. And do it same as the other side. We'll open the metal support. I screw them from both sides. And then we'll put the plastic for the feet of the table. This is the finished assemble of Torald.
Got this at 99 cents for around $10. And we got this at Target for around $5.60, a lamp. So I got this at Target for around $5.
Stamps and art supply. Oh my god guys, it's so sale at Walmart for around 50 cents and 40 cents the school supplies. And this is the crayon scissor for around 50 cents and Helmer's pencils organizer for around 99 cents.
And this is the must-have. This is the laptop stand. You can put it on your desk. It can be like this or like that. So I got this at 99 cents for $3.99. So it is color blue. You can put here. There you go. Got this shelf, the hanging shelf, on 99 cents for around 9. And this is the organizer. Your own study table from Ikea. From Ikea. Video, please give me a thumbs up and please like and share and subscribe.